Can you feel the difference?
Yeah, it's so soft.
It's soft?
Yeah. Wow. It looks really smooth.
Yeah. What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another face shave on a woman. Now obviously the woman in the video is white, and I specified the fact that she's white not to be divisive or racial or anything like that, but I want you guys to compare the different ethnic groups that I do in these type of videos. I've already done a European woman. Today's a white woman. Tomorrow might be a black woman or a Latina, Middle Eastern. And it's not meant to be divisive when I specify what they are. I just want you guys to see the spectrum, the broad spectrum of different skin types, skin tones, hair growth amongst these ethnic groups. So when I specify it, it's not meant to be no racial shit. So now that we cleared that up, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all, first things first, we have to start out with the pre-shave treatment as always. This is some rubbing alcohol. Now what the rubbing alcohol is gonna do is gonna eliminate all the sweat, dirt, makeup that's on the top layer of the skin, so the razor doesn't have to fight through that to get to the hair. And next up, we're going to apply some shave oil from ezbladshavingproducts.com. Now what the shave oil is going to act as, for me, it's going to act as a foundation of lubrication and moisture. Now lubrication is very important throughout the whole service because whether you're shaving or massaging, you want to have some type of lubrication so the skin's not dry and it gets irritated. And after the steamer, we're gonna go in with this hot face massager. Yes, it's an actual massager. It is dual temperature. You can make it as cold as you want or as hot as you want. So what the heat's doing, combined with the ultrasonic vibration, is gonna open up the pores, increase blood circulation to the face. But most importantly, it's gonna create a relaxing sensation by getting rid of all the facial tension and any facial aches. And the last step before the actual shave, what you want to do is apply some Easy Blade shaving gel. Now what the shaving gel does, it softens up the hair and allows the razor to glide easier. Now with my client being a natural blonde, obviously her facial hair is going to be light. It's going to be hard to see coming off the face, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. That doesn't mean, oh, your hair, we can't see it, so why even shave your face? Like, no, I can still feel the hair on the face. She can still notice a difference when she puts her foundation on, her concealer, the baking powder, whatever you guys use on your face. Just because the hair is light doesn't mean we don't have to shave it. Doesn't mean we can't feel a difference. Now, if you are providing this service and your client does have blonde facial hair, what I would suggest is go over the face a couple times just to make sure you got everything that's on the face. And with the forehead, we always want to shave horizontal, because if we go vertically, basically meaning up to down or down to up, we're going to create a harsh lineup. And with women, you never want to create a harsh lineup. So when we shave horizontal, we just avoid that harsh man looking lineup. Now, like I stated on the other side of the face, her hair is super light, so you're not going to see a dramatic amount of hair coming off the face. Me personally, I could, because I was in person, I can feel the hair coming off, I can hear it coming off the face. But what I want you guys to notice, rather than how much hair is coming off the face, I want you to notice the difference in complexion of her skin. Look how smooth and just butter soft it looks. It looks so much different after one pass with the razor, and that's why this service is so dope. Now, moving on to the post-shave treatment, this is probably the most important part of the whole service because this is where we clean, protect, and moisturize the skin. So we're going to go back in with some rubbing alcohol to eliminate any oils and bacteria on the face. Next up, we're going to apply some water to the skin to get ready for the face wash portion of the service. Now, I just shaved her face, got rid of all the oils, makeup, and sweat, and all that good stuff. Then I applied some rubbing alcohol. So you're probably thinking like, yo, is it necessary to use the face wash and the deep cleansing brush? And for me personally, the answer is yeah. Like, if I can have peace of mind knowing that my client's skin is clean at all levels, the top layer of the skin, the middle level, the deep level, like, I'm going to take an extra 5 minutes to apply some face wash, use a face cleansing cream. That way my client has no doubt in the mind that her face is clean. And that's just for me personally. I like to go the extra mile. And to remove all that face wash off the face, we're going to use a hot towel. I highly suggest that you use a hot towel rather than a cold towel because it's more soothing. Just like when you take a shower. You don't like to take cold showers because it's uncomfortable. Same thing here. And the aftershave spray that my client chose was this cannabis sativa, otherwise known as hemp seed oil infused with lavender aftershave spray. Now, when my client does come in, I do give them a choice to pick a face wash, an aftershave spray, and a moisturizer. This happened to be the aftershave spray that she chose. And the last step of this whole process is to use a frozen jadestone roller. Yes, it's actually frozen. I do keep it in the freezer. Now I keep it in the freezer to make it as cold as possible. So what the coldness is doing combined with the rolling action is going to reduce any inflammation in the skin, reduce any puffiness, help with the eye bags, smooth out any wrinkles and fine lines in the skin. It's going to shrink and reduce the appearance of your pores. What else? It'll be, because the list goes on, the amount of benefits that this little tool provides. Most importantly, it's just relaxing. It's relieving any facial tension and facial aches in the face. But that's gonna do for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Do you feel it different?
Yeah, it's so soft.
It's soft?
Yeah. Wow. It looks really smooth.
Yeah. Looks shiny.
Yeah.
Your face is a little red due to like the exfoliation and like your blood circulation, especially with like the massages. Like, see how your face is all red and stuff? That's a good thing, because like blood going into your skin.
Right.